Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com or you can find the link to the website in the description below. At Income Investors, we love ultra high yielding dividend stocks, but only those with compelling stories and industry tailwinds. It's easy to find high yielding dividend stocks that are a trap. It's a lot harder to find ones that provide reliable dividends and great opportunity for capital appreciation. And that's where today's income pick, ACRE Commercial Real Estate Corporation, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol ACRE, comes into play. As a mortgage real estate investment trust, or mREITs for short, ACRE's commercial real estate has two things going for it: a lower interest rate environment, and a strong real estate market. Higher interest rates are generally bad for REIT, and the reason is very simple. It's because they borrow a lot of money to build their portfolio, and higher interest rates make it more expensive to borrow, which cuts into earnings and profitability. While interest rates have come down marginally over the last number of months, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage is still hovering above 7%, while the 15-year mortgage is around 6.5%. And in fact, mortgage rates are higher today than they were 5 months ago when Federal Reserve began to cut its key lending rate. And then there's the US housing market. The average US home value is up 2.6% on an annual basis at around $356,000. Over the last 9 years, the average value of US home has risen 73%. These tailwinds should juice undervalued ACRE's Commercial Real Estate Corporation stock and its dividend over coming quarters. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, ACRE's Commercial Real Estate Corporation is, as you can guess, specialty finance mREIT that originates and invests in commercial real estate, or CRE, loan and related investments here in the U.S. Company originates senior mortgage loans. In fact, that's the majority of the portfolio at 97%. Subordinate debt and preferred equity products, mezzanine loans, and other CRE investments. That makes up the other 3%. As of September 30th, 2024, ACRE's Commercial had total originated commitments of $2.0 billion across 40 loans. By property type, office is the biggest component at 36%. This is followed by multifamily, industrial, residential, condominium, hotel, mixed use, and self-storage. For geography, it's diversified with 36% of its portfolio located in the mid-Atlantic, northeast. The rest you can find in the Southeast, Midwest, West, and Southwest.
It further strengthened its balance sheet in the third quarter of 2024.
Yeah, for the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024, ACRE's Commercial Real Estate reported a third quarter loss of $5.9 million, or a loss of 11 cents per share, and that's down from third quarter 2023 net income of $9.1 million, or 17 cents per share. Distributable earnings, which a company set for its dividends, came in at $3.7 million, or 7 cents per share. It ended the quarter with cash and cash equivalents of around $68.8 million. Now, in its third quarter press release, management noted that during the quarter, it continued to make progress on its objective of further strengthening its balance sheet position and resolving its higher risk rated 4 and 5 loans, which declined by 33%.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, looking at the dividends here, it paid a fourth quarter dividend of 25 cents per share.
Now, as a mREIT, ACRE's Commercial Real Estate has to legally distribute at least 90% of its taxable income to shareholders in the form of a dividend. This is why REITs in general are home to some of the biggest, most reliable dividends on Wall Street. At the same time, because dividends are tied to distributable earnings, which is impacted by mortgage rates, loans, etc., they can fluctuate. Now, for the fourth quarter, ACRE's Commercial Real Estate declared a dividend of 25 cents per share, or $1 per share on an annual basis, for a pretty big forward yield of 16.72%.
And looking at the ACRE stock, it has double-digit upside potential?
Yeah, for the most part. ACRE has a big forward dividend yield because its stock hasn't really done much over the last year. At this recording, ACRE stock is trading hands at around $6.05 per share and is up more than 3% year to date, but it is down 19% on an annual basis. Now, thanks to positive industry dynamics, though, the outlook for ACRE stock is a little bit more bullish, with Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price forecast average of $6.80 per share and a high estimate of $8 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, Ares Commercial Real Estate Corporation is an mREIT with a diversified portfolio across asset classes and geography. During the third quarter of 2024, the company further strengthened its balance sheet, which includes reducing its debt by an additional 8% while maintaining strong levels of liquidity. This REIT is also working to resolve risk-rated 4 and 5 loans. Those are higher risk. During the third quarter, those loans declined 33%. While some common shareholders may be scared off by its recent share price performance, 175 institutions are confident that the company is heading in the right direction and are happy to collect a reliable dividend along the way. Of the 175 institutional holders, accounting for 48.1% of outstanding shares, the top 3 holders include BlackRock, Vanguard Group, and Invesco. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.